This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an O2 sensor on a Nissan Altima. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and parked on a level surface. Gather your tools, including an oxygen sensor socket, a ratchet, and a jack. Safety is key, so wear gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent electrical issues. This simple step ensures a safe working environment. Now let's get that old sensor out. Safely lift your Nissan Altima using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oxygen sensor, which is typically found in the exhaust pipe. Carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Sometimes a small tab needs to be pressed. Then, using your specialized oxygen sensor wrench, loosen the old sensor. It might be a bit tight, so apply steady pressure until it breaks free, then unscrew it completely. With the old sensor removed, it's time for the new one. Before installation, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the new oxygen sensor. This helps prevent future corrosion and makes removal easier next time. Carefully hand-thread the new sensor into the exhaust port to avoid cross-threading. Once it's snug, use your wrench to tighten it securely, but don't over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal you disconnected earlier. Start your Nissan Altima and check your dashboard for any warning lights, especially the check engine light. If it's on, it might take a few drive cycles for the system to reset. Take your car for a short drive to allow the engine control unit to adapt to the new sensor. Enjoy your improved fuel efficiency and engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.